Good morning, dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are well and safe at home. I am very glad to teach you Hindi because Hindi is our national language and also official language. So we all must know Hindi. Do you know Hindi all? Some of them know, some of them don't know, some of them would have forget, whatever may be. Anyway, I am going to start from the letters. Do you know the letters all? That also some of them would have forget. So first you have to listen carefully what I am teaching. Next you have to practice. By practice only you can read well and you can write well. So please children, whatever given by me you have to do it properly. So do you know the letters? How many letters are there in Hindi? There are 46 letters in Hindi. There are 46 letters in Hindi. हिंदी में कुल 46 वर्ण हैं. हिंदी में कुल 46 वर्ण हैं. हिंदी में कितने वर्ण हैं? वर्ण मीन्स लेटर. वर्णमाला मीन्स अल्फाबेट्स. वर्णमाला अल्फाबेट्स. वर्णमाला वर्णों की माला. वर्णमाला वर्णों की माला. चेन ऑफ द लेटर्स इज कॉल्ड वर्णमाला. चेन ऑफ द लेटर्स. वर्ण लेटर, अक्षर लेटर. अक्षर ऑल्सो लेटर, वर्ण ऑल्सो लेटर. वर्णमाला अल्फाबेट्स. हिंदी में कुल 46 वर्ण हैं. हाउ मेनी लेटर्स आर देयर इन हिंदी? There are 46 letters in Hindi. If you know this 46 letter, you can read well and you can write also. So you have to study well the letters first. So I am going to do very slowly so you can follow me. Okay children? So you have to listen carefully and you have to write. Now listen. वर्णमाला. What's the meaning of वर्णमाला? Alphabets. हिंदी में कुल 46 वर्ण हैं. There are 46 letters in Hindi. There are 46 letters in Hindi. What are they? स्वराक्षर 13 हैं. स्वराक्षर 13 हैं और व्यंजनाक्षर 33 हैं. स्वराक्षर 13 हैं. व्यंजनाक्षर 33 हैं. स्वराक्षर means vowels. स्वराक्षर means vowels. First I am going to give vowels. Okay? हिंदी में स्वराक्षर 13 हैं. हिंदी में कुल 46 वर्ण हैं. हिंदी में there are 46 letters in हिंदी. हिंदी में कुल 46 वर्ण हैं. स्वराक्षर means vowels. स्वराक्षर vowels. हिंदी में स्वराक्षर 13 हैं. हिंदी में स्वराक्षर 13 हैं. How many vowels are there in Hindi? How many vowels are there in Hindi? There are 13 vowels in Hindi. Tamil will say this உயிர் எழுத்துக்கள். How these letters will come? Do you know? Free from the mouth. There is no stress. Okay, it will be free from mouth. When we are opening the mouth, we will get the letters like this. Okay, swarakshar. What's the word? This one is swarakshar. Swarakshar means vowels. This varnamala. This letter under English word. Varnamala alphabets. What's the word? Varnamala alphabets. Swarakshar vowels. There are 13 vowels in Hindi. No, in English you have 5 vowels, isn't it? A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. So here like that, there are 13 vowels in Hindi. What are they? First listen. You have to take 2 booklets. One for classwork, another for homework. What I am doing? Suppose if I am giving this Swarakshar here, you have to write one page fully. You have to write, and every Saturday, not this Saturday, next Saturday onwards, you have to submit to the school. Classwork as well as homework. Classwork I will teach here. After I will send the notes that you have to copy it in your note. But homework you have to write one page. Swarakshar, suppose if I give Swarakshar R2, you have to write one line. After you have to copy the whole page. Next, like this Vyanjanakshar, ka, ka, ga, that also you have to fill it in one page. Okay, you have to write one page. Like that you have to write every letters. So first you have to thorough the letters. If thorough the letters one, you have to you know to read and you know to write. Then only you can read. First you have to thorough the letters. So listen now. First I am going to give this Swarashar vowels. First you have to write below the line. Below there will be line ruled booklet. You have to use till finishing the letters pencil. Okay, you have to use pencil till you finishing the letters. That also ruled booklet. You have to take ruled booklet. Already know this and that, but if don't know someone, just remember. So I am telling this. There will be line in the booklet. So how I am writing to carefully. Listen. This this is the if the line is there, below the line you have to write. How you have to write? Below the line. You have to start below the line. This is like Tamil 3. This 1, this 3, again the sleeping line, again the standing line. Here this listen here. Here it should not touch. Just it should not say its pronunciation is not This is This is E. What's the letter? E. Don't say like this. Just opening the mouth, we will get the sound. This all almost know all. Even we listen E. E. This is E. Next U. This is U. You can write like this also. U. Next this is A. This you can write this 3 way. One is this way. One is this. Another one is this. Okay, this 3 way you can write. Here. This is not ir, this is not re, this is not ru, this is not cru. Many times they will say, okay, but its pronunciation is rishi. Next, this is A. There is only one A. The A will be writing like this also. A. Only one A is there, that is long sound. Only one A is there, that is long sound. A. Next I. O. Ow. Say this E, U, E, I, O, Ow, Listen here. This here every letter like this only. Here you should not touch. This you should not touch here. Like this O, you should not touch here. Okay. Next Ow. Then this all you should not touch here. Should not touch here. Once more. E, U, E, I, O, Ow, Okay. Now listen. You can read like a rhyme also. You can remember this easily. E, U, E, I, O, Ow, Ow, I, E, U, E, Like that you will sing than me. So you read like rhyme. While writing, you sing and write. Okay. How it is? E, U, E, I, O, Ow, I, E, U, E. we have to learn. Okay, do you know this one all? Can you write all correctly? Can you read? Okay, I think you can. You have to write in the homework booklet 1 page fully. So if you cooperate with me, you can read well. Okay, whatever I am giving, if you are reading and if you are writing, you can also read well and you can also write well. Next, listen. I am giving some words from these letters. Now listen. Once you learn these letters, whatever we are asking from inside, you have to say. So if we ask A, you will say A, E, U, E. Yeah, like that you will think and say. Should not be like that. One page while completing, you must know. If I say A, you must know to find out that. You must know that. Or A, this is A. Only one. How many A's in Hindi? Only one A is there, that is long sound. Okay. How many I is there in Hindi? There is only one I in Hindi. Next, how many A's are there? Only one. How many O? Only one O is there. That is also long sound. That is no short sound. Okay. Now listen here. What is this letter? Listen here. What is this letter? A. This is which letter? Can you tell me? What is this letter? A. O. What's the word? Avo. What's the word? Avo. What's the meaning of this avo? Come. Avo, come. You can call your brother, boy avo, brother come. Beta avo, mother will call you. Beta avo. Tum avo, you come. Tum avo, you come. Okay, this avo means come. Avo. Come. Next, a, e, a. This one, a. This letter a. This is a. This what? E. A, E. This what? A. A, E, A. What's the meaning of this? A, E, A. Please come. A, E, A. Please come. A, E, A. Please come. You have to find out the words from these letters. Only whatever letter we learn from that I am giving. Okay. Listen here. A, O. Avo. Please come. Avo, come. Avo, come. Next, A, E, A. A, E, A. Please come. A, E, A. Please come. Next, we can make another word. This word, which letter? A. Next, this E. I came. I came. I came. Next, A. Came. This also came. Now listen here. Ma, I. Ma means mother. Or Mataji, I. Mother came. Mataji, I. This word in the past tense will come like this. These 4 words only we can make from these letters. From the other letters, the consonants, we can make many words. But from these letters only we can make these words. Okay, listen. A-O, this A-O, A-O. Like this O, if I say O, you must know to find out that. Okay, you have to know that. Which is the O, which is the owl. Okay, owl means that there will be 2 sticks. O will be there, 1 stick. A, many of them will confuse these 2 letters. They will say A. Almost children used to mistake here. Okay, how they will do this? Because letters are same, looking same, so that they will say A. But this A-I. Don't commit mistake. Then this letter also they will say O. But this is not O. Okay, A-I-O. A-I-O. Aha. This grammatically it is not added in the this one Swarakshar. Grammatically, if you see, there is 11 vowels. But why now? This im is coming. Aha. So first it is coming. A is coming. So added with this. Okay. Now this is not confusing in this one. Now listen. Swarakshar. You must know the Swarakshar 13 vowels. Or there are 13 vowels in Hindi. There are 13 vowels in Hindi. हिंदी में स्वराक्षर 13 हैं. हिंदी में स्वराक्षर 13 हैं. हिंदी में स्वराक्षर कितने हैं? How many vowels are there in Hindi? हिंदी में स्वराक्षर 13 हैं. Are you clear? हिंदी में स्वराक्षर 13 हैं. You can repeat this. You can practice after here. Okay. For ABCD, how 1 year you will study now. LKG fully you will be studying that. Like that, when you are learning letters, if you practice more time only, can remember, because we are not using any other places this. So you have to practice more, then only you can remember this. Okay, you have to write many times. Now listen, a e i u i e i o au am ah hai. हिंदी में स्वराक्षर 13 हैं. वे हैं they are. वे हैं means they are. वे हैं a e i u i e i o au am ah hai. Next listen, हिंदी में this one a o come. How you have to make words? A o a e a. There is no changes. How we are written like that we are reading. Okay, a e a. Please come. A e k. This I can say father. Okay, father came. Pidaji aaye. Mataji came. Mother. Mataji aayi. Mother came. Mataji aayi. Mother came. Pidaji aaye. Father came. Tum आओ. You come. आप आइए. With the respect to the Mataji aayi. Mataji, you will call your mother Mataji aayi. Amma Bangal. Please come. Next, the mother will call you beta आओ. Beta means son. Okay, mother will call you beta आओ. You will call your mother माताजी आइए. पिताजी आइए. नानी जी आइए. जी आइए. Teacher come. Okay, पंडित जी आइए. Like that. With respect we will call like this. So youngers will call like this. So आओ come. आइए, please come. Elders you have to call आइए. Youngers you have to call आओ. Next, this one in the past we used this word. माताजी आई. Mother came. पिताजी आए. Father came. I think you are clear this. You have to write this word and you have to study also this one. Okay. In the homework booklet you have to write this one page and this also write 5 times. Next, I think you are clear this. Next, Vyanjanakshar. Vyanjanakshar. Vyanjanakshar means consonants. हिंदी में व्यंजनाक्षर 33 है. 33 means 33. हिंदी में व्यंजनाक्षर 33 है. हिंदी में व्यंजनाक्षर 33 है. There are 33 consonants in Hindi. There are 33 consonants in Hindi. हिंदी में व्यंजनाक्षर 33 हैं. हिंदी में व्यंजनाक्षर 33 हैं. हिंदी में व्यंजनाक्षर क्वेश्चन. हिंदी में व्यंजनाक्षर कितने हैं? हिंदी में व्यंजनाक्षर कितने हैं? हिंदी में व्यंजनाक्षर 33 हैं. हिंदी में व्यंजनाक्षर 33 हैं. How many consonants are there in Hindi? There are 33 consonants in Hindi. There are 33 consonants in Hindi. Now listen here. This also you have to write like this below the line. You have to write below the line. Listen. This is ka. See, most of the children used to write like this. This one they will write. After they will do like this. This is not the correct way. Is left to right. We have to write like this, except 1 or 2 letters. So like D, the same English. Like D, you have to start. Listen. Like D, you have to start. Those who are not writing wrong, please correct it. Okay. Now listen. Like D, you have start like say D, bring it down, take it up. Suppose one letter, if you do mistake, listen. If you do mistake here, again the bar will be there. You will do there also like this. It won't look nice. We can see that something like this joint. So don't do like that. Then this letter they write like this. So everywhere will be changing. One letter if you start like that. So first itself you have to correct it. Those who have this habit to write, because you have studied till 5th standard or 6th standard, so you can make like this now, like this. You would have write like this, but you should not write now this. You have to write like this. Like D, bring it down and take it up. Write like this. Ka. This is ka. How the way to write to it? Ka. Which letter? This is ka. Should not say ka. 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 Actually, Tamil will say this one. This is not mei eluthukkal. Consonants means not mei eluthukkal. This is actually weirmei eluthukkal. Mei eluthukkal is there. Like this, it will be ik. This, that is Ardha Vyanjanakshar. That name is Ardha Vyanjanakshar. But easy way we are learning like this, because this is correct only consonants. How the consonants A is a vowel. It will no trust. It will be coming freely from the mouth. Like B is B, B, there will be trusses is there. So like that, this letter will getting the support of vowels. K, ik plus A. The vowels, with the help of vowel it will come. The Vyanjanakshar will come with the help of vowels. Vyanjanakshar will come with the help of vowels. That's why it is Vyanjanakshar consonants. Understood? It is not like Tamil mei eluthukkal. Tamil mei eluthukkal ikku, in, ich, in, it, in. That is weirmei eluthukkal only ka, nga, cha, nya, ta, na. The same we are learning here. Okay? Ka. This ka you know to write now. Don't commit mistake, children. Look carefully. Next, this ka, listen here. Just this one. This. And some of them will write like this. And then write like this. Okay, this is not correct. How you have to write? Listen, bring it, take it up. It will be like this. Now listen. This is, can write like this, or without taking hand you can write like this also. Okay, actually it will be like this. Different way they will write like this. Right, they will write. But we can see this is ka. Some of them write like this. This is ra, va. Ra, this letter is there, ra, this is va. But they will write like this and they will read ka. Okay. So ka, there this line should touch here. So you can write like this also. It will be like this, okay. Here, it will be coming like this. It will be touching here. Okay. Each book will be different. Actually, you have to write like this. You should not take the hand. Okay, ka. This ka, ka, ka. Next, listen here. Ga, ga. This k, ka, k, h, ka. The pronunciation, if you don't know, you can write there. K, ka, ka, ka. The not ka. Tamil will read like this. See, this they will read ka. We will write like this. We will say this. Ka, ik, when reading they will say ka, ik, ka, kakka will say. Actually ka, ik, ka, kaka. This they read ka, ik, ka, kaka. We won't say like this, ka, ka, ka. So ik, ka, ik, ka, kakka. The same pronunciation, ka, ka. Okay, don't change it. Ka, ka, ga, ga, g, ga, k, ka. K-H, ka. This is ga, g, ga. Next, this ga is g-H, ga, ga. This is nga. Now listen, this also you have to write below the line. You have to write below the, if there is line, you have to write below the line. You start from the line. Above that, you must put this line. Okay. Ka, kha, ga, gha, nga. Ka, kha, ga, gha, nga. Tamil, this is ka, this is nga. Ka, nga. Ka, nga. Ka, kha, ga, gha, nga. Ka, you should not read like this. Many of them used to read like this. Kaika, nga. Kaika, nga. That is not correct pronunciation. For learning, they will read like this. So don't read like this. Ka, kha, ga, gha, nga. For all the letters, different sound. Okay. ka, kha, ga, kha. The middle of the mouth, kha. K-H-A, kha. Ka, kha, G-A, ga. G-H-A, ga, nga. Ka, kha, ga, ga, nga. This is also you can read like a rhyme. Ka, kha, ga, ga, nga. Nga, ga, ga, kha, ga. Can you read? Ka, kha, ga, ga, nga. Nga, ga, ga, kha, ga. Okay, like this while writing you have to sing and write. Okay, so you won't feel difficult to write. Can you do not write this letter also like this? This some like this also can write. Actually, it should come like this down. Okay, this is ga. Ga. Ga is this one. Ga. Don't write like this. Don't take hand like this. Don't write like this. If you write like this, it will you can see like this, something giant. Okay, so you have to write like this one only. Next, this one like this. Hindi is an active language, so it is hand. Okay, so you match ka, kha, ga, gha, nga. Are you clear? So you have to write this also one page in your classwork booklet. This one homework booklet, one page. Classwork simply you have to write. That I sent after. Next line, sha. हिंदी में व्यंजनाक्षर कितने हैं? हिंदी में व्यंजनाक्षर 33 हैं. हिंदी में व्यंजनाक्षर 33 हैं. वे हैं का, ख, ग, घ, ङ. का, ख, ग, घ, ङ. Okay, next cha. This is cha. Next letter is cha. This cha also difficult to write. But when you are starting like this one, if you write like this wrong way, this also will commit mistake. When you have to will write like this. But don't write. Okay, you have to write like this. Sleeping line. After C, next you don't take the hand. Bring straight away up, bring it down. Cha. Next, this is cha. Listen how you have to write. This like E and this one 0 and standing line. Cha. Next is ja. U and sleeping line and standing line. Ja. Cha, cha, ja, ja, nya. Cha, cha. This is also like this. Listen. Ja, ja. This you can take a hand. Otherwise, no other way. Can write this. Ja, nya. Cha, C-H-A, C-H-K-H, cha. Ja, ja. We used to say like cha, 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 nya. It won't be like this. Cha, cha, ja. Ja means J, ja. J, H, ja, nya. Okay. Cha. This also you can read like rhyme. Cha, cha, ja, ja, nya. Nya, ja, ja, cha, cha. Okay. You can read like this also. You practice many times. This also you have to write one page in the homework booklet. Okay. I think you are clear. We can meet in the next class. Dhanyawad.